The successful delivery and profitability of a construction project are heavily influenced by accurate material and resource planning. It becomes increasingly important to trace progress of production, delivery, and timely installation. Hence, project managers spend significant time to keep transparency on progress and supply chain information. Live information throughout the supply chain process is a key success factor. By using standard technologies like QR codes, construction material can be uniquely identified and traced. Early collaboration in the design phase enables the connection between the digital model and the real-life construction through creation of unique IDs. After pre-assembly, the integrated supply chain keeps transparency on the progress being delivered on-site. Keeping trace of the whole supply chain until the materials arrive at the right location and installation is completed enables smooth planning, transparency, and successful project delivery. Hilti has its own production of software, hardware, and services, and is hence your full workflow partner to support seamless information handling across the entire construction supply chain. Be with Hilti. BIM with Hilti.